Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Black Hat SEO video, I would like to walk you through a tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to implement some Black Hat SEO. Now, before I get into it, I want to give you a brief warning. Hidden text and links, all right, in your content to manipulate Google search ranking can be seen as deceptive and is a violation of Google's webmaster guidelines. So anytime you're using white text, using CSS to get text off screen, setting the font size to 0, hiding a link in only one character, any of these things, these are considered against the guidelines. So before I get into this video, I want to go ahead and share that with you. This particular method will be against guidelines, so I'm not telling you should do it. This is for educational use only, and of course, for fun. So let's not waste any time. So I'm going to pop over here and just go ahead and show you this page. I'll go ahead and I will refresh it. Now, as you can see on this page, we have our main headline. All right, this is an H1 tag, the new SEO testing guide. But if I right click and I view the page's source, all right, as you can see here, let's take a look. Starting right here, the new SEO testing guide, and take a look right here. Look at all of this text. This is a massive article inside of this page, but it is not visible to the naked eye. Now, this is not white on white. There is no text here. Take a look here. On this page right here, what we're going to do is we're going to hop over here to the Black Hat SEO because I knew I made a video in the past, so I'm going to take that video. All right, so first and foremost, you need a video of some sort. Now, the page that you want to rank, it is ideal to have a video that's either yours or a video that at least has your headline term in it, all right? So what you'll do is you will click on share. After you click share, you will need the embed code. After you get the embed code, you'll grab this right here. All right, this complete frame. We're going to right click, copy. And what I'm going to do for this video is I'm going to open it up on a text document. Now, this method, why would you want to do this? Perhaps you want to get more words on the page. Perhaps you want to increase your density. Perhaps your page looks really good, so you want to hide the text, but you still want it to be read by Google. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how to do this, and then I will show you on my test example how it works, and I'll show you that it's rendered. And first we need to go and get an article. It is from this site here. We're going to open it up, open the link. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just grab this entire article, and I'm going to throw it in here. All right. But down here, I do not want it to change Black Hat SEO. Then we're going to spin it. All right, then we have right here, we're going to go up here, Control A, copy it. We're going to go back to our text document. I'm going to bring this down just in case you cannot see it. I'm going to edit the size so you can see it a little bit bigger. And I'll show you how to embed hidden content. So you have your iframe code. All right, all you need to do is go here in between these two and paste this here. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, there's no way that Google's going to read this. It does not make sense. So after you have put the iframe in there and you have your document, your spun document, you need to be sure that there's not a lot of spacing in between. This could cause issues for the hidden text. So in order to do this, you have to bring all of the text together without spaces. All right. So let me do that now. All right, so I've gone through now, all right, as you saw, and all I did was I took the spaces out of the content. Now, everything is still the same, all right? The only thing that I did was compile it up without the spaces in between, so that way it's one solid piece of text. Now, after that is done, what we need to go ahead and do is we're going to copy this entire iframe code. We're going to copy, and then we'll bring it over to the site now. Now, on this particular site, I will do it on a page that it is done already where I just showed you before. But we're going to get an HTML code. Now, if you're using just your HTML, or if you don't have an editor, or whatever the case is, if you're just building out pages, or if you just want to add the video with some extra text, this is how you inject text into the embed. All right, so after that's done, we'll come up here, green. You have the text in between with the green. Perfect. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look here. We will save that into here. So now you saw how I've injected the text into the embed. So after that is done, we have this particular piece here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this one, all right, because that was just to show you for visualization of what was here. All right, that looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and save that in there. Now, as you can see, there's absolutely 0 on the page. So it's been saved. I'm going to pop back over here. Here's the old video. I will refresh this page, and boom, we have the new video and still 0 text showing. So to further give a better way of understanding, let me show you that this will be rendered. So what we're going to do that is I'll pop over here to the mobile friendly test, right, from Google. And what we're going to do is we're going to throw this into the mobile testing guide, testing tool, so I can show you the rendered HTML, because it's not visual to the naked eye. However, Google is seeing the text, and you're getting the benefit and the boost of the video. So it's a great way that you can put a lot of text on the page. You can increase your densities if you want to without hurting the usability or the aesthetic of your website. Now, obviously, wherever I positioned it, it's not showing up right here, but that's neither here nor there. For the sake of this video, we are just looking at the HTML. So what we're looking for at the very beginning of our text, let me pull this back up, is Black Hat SEO, right now learn. Okay, so we're looking for Black Hat SEO, right now learn. So we're just going to scroll on down the page, and as you can see here, Black Hat SEO, right now learn, what Black Hat SEO is, strategies and systems that qualify as Black Hat SEO. So as you can see here, Google is seeing it, but when we take a look at the page, it is not visible. So my name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions about Black Hat SEO, Gray Hat SEO, White Hat SEO, pretty much anything SEO, digital marketing, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO, Black Hat SEO video. Have a wonderful day.